Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to race in iRacing. First, you'll need to sign up for an iRacing membership and download the simulation client. Once installed, familiarize yourself with the user interface and the included content. iRacing offers a robust selection of over 16 cars and 22 tracks right from the start, providing a great foundation. Your journey begins with rookie license races, designed to teach you fundamental racing principles and safety. Focus on clean driving to quickly progress. Advancing in iRacing hinges on understanding the license and safety rating system. Your license class, ranging from rookie to pro, dictates which race series you can enter. To progress, you must maintain a high safety rating, or SR. This rating improves with clean laps and decreases with incidents like contact or off-tracks. For example, a 4x incident point for contact significantly impacts your SR. Focus on consistent, clean driving to climb the ranks and unlock exciting new challenges. Once you're comfortable, it's time to join official race sessions. These are organized by license class, ensuring fair competition. Beyond safety rating, iRacing also tracks your I rating, a numerical representation of your skill. This number dictates which split you'll be placed in during a race, pitting you against similarly skilled drivers. Finishing well, especially ahead of higher-rated opponents, will increase your I rating. Aim for consistent performance to see your I rating climb and challenge yourself against the best. To truly excel in iRacing, consistent practice is key. Spend time in practice sessions to learn new tracks, refine your driving lines, and experiment with car setups. The iRacing community is a fantastic resource. Engage in forums for setup advice, race strategies, and general camaraderie. Many drivers also join leagues, offering structured racing and a team environment. Remember, iRacing is a journey of continuous improvement, offering endless opportunities to hone your skills and enjoy competitive, realistic motorsport.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.